Hey, what's going on, family? Today is the 14th of July, 2024. We're going to talk about Stellar today because this may be the next big crypto to buy in the short term. I'm not saying forever. I'm not saying come in and grab a bag and hold it for the next 60 years. No. We can see that Stellar has been in a slight uptrend. The bullishness has been seen over the last 2 days into the market. And Stellar, you guys can see that the market over the last, 3 days have seen the price increase of around 21.39%, which is great. Now, the question is, will we continue to see the market in Stellar go up? Let's go ahead and do this real quick, and then I'll let you all go. First, you guys can see we did a price prediction in Stellar going all the way back here to beginning of the year, January 2024, looking for the price move to go higher. It did, but it took it all the way until March for it to happen. After we did our price predictions, the market in Stellar definitely did a slump, came all the way down to 11 cents, and then the market got filled up with gas and began to go higher. So depending on how you look at it from a time frame perspective, yes, our price prediction was correct, but then also it was incorrect too. Okay, so now let's go ahead and straighten this chart up, and we're going to look at this next logical probable area of sell zone. Okay, and my eyes is being focused right here. Okay, for Stellar, this is definitely a logical area that we would expect to see increase in selling. Okay. And we're already seeing this near-term area of selling right here as well too. So that's why the market currently is hitting its head right there around 10.5, almost 11 cents. That's a sell zone. Okay, so the first objective for us to see is whether or not the market's going to break that sell zone. Because if it is, then we're going to look forward to come up here to the second sell zone. And this is our third one right there. Okay. So looking at this on the weekly chart, look at how healthy this weekly price bar is. We still got 8 hours and 33 minutes left, but it looks healthy. Okay, this one weekly price bar is taking out the last almost 5 weeks of trading price action of market going down in Stellar. So that's pretty good to see that. Take a look at this on the 2 weeks. You guys can see that we're getting this indication that the market is giving us a probable precursor of strength. Again, we want to see this indication stay there because it lets us know that definitely buyers did come to the market. And you can see it here even better that this area right here is a buy zone. Okay. So that's a buy zone right there off the 2 weekly chart. The market here in Stellar came and bounced off the market low back in June of 2023. It did it again. So that's a very logical area for us to expect buying to occur. So now back on the, let's look at this on the 3. Pretty decent there. I like that last 3-day price bar there. Here it is on the 5. Definitely opportunity for us to see a continuation to move higher price. So that's what we're going to do is we're going to look for the market in Stellar to continue to trend higher. Just understand that we are at sell zones. So we may see a couple of days that the market in Stellar will continue to trend down. Okay, but that's all right. It's cool because we expect that. Now, if we see the market in Stellar come all the way back down to 7.5 cents, we need to have another conversation and talk and say, yeah, it doesn't look like this market in Stellar is that bullish. Okay, so I do suspect that we're going to break this near-term sell zone. So our first target is going to be at this the second sell zone, which is around 11.5 cents, which gives us around like 9.88% market move there. Then our second target is going to be all the way up there around 13 cents, which is around 27.64. Okay. So that's it. Simple. Chart gives us all the information we need, nothing more, nothing less. So go ahead and give me your thoughts. Do you think Stellar will continue to have the momentum, the strength to continue to at least hit the second sell zone or maybe that third? Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.